Welcome to the Rayline Dual-Axis Laser Cleaning Machine Show Classroom. Today our engineer Henry will show you how our laser cleaning machine works with dual-axis multiple cleaning modes. Rayline's laser cleaning machine has 8 cleaning modes to meet different processing requirements. You can set the cleaning width from the machine system, range from 0到800毫米。The processing accuracy of the laser cleaning machine reaches 0.2毫米 and the cleaning effect is very good. Laser cleaning machine can not only remove rust, but also remove paint, oxidation, etc., and can clean a variety of substances. Welcome to visit our factory.